Welcome to my new drawing video. I am so excited to draw a simple and beautiful two-story house drawing, a great way to relax. Before start, let's gather supplies. Drawing paper, scale, black marker pen for house outline and colored sketch pen. Now let's start drawing. First draw a horizontal rectangle to represent the base of the house, which will be the bottom floor. Ensure it is proportionate to the desired size of the house. Add depth to the rectangle by drawing vertical lines at the corners and connect them with a parallel line at the back, following 3D curves. Sketch the roof line of the first floor, which might extend slightly beyond the walls. Above the first floor, draw another rectangle for the second story. Ensure it aligns with the lower one for a symmetrical design. At the roof, draw two slanted lines meeting at the top of the house, forming a peak. Now we'll start by drawing the front of the first floor and adding details like window frames, door panels. In a two-story house, the second floor have smaller or fewer windows as compared to the first floor.